Hi guys, welcome back to another MonDrew video, and today we are back in the Supra. Now it's a very special video, this one, because we are going to be doing a McDonald's Roulette. So if you haven't watched the McDonald's Roulette before, basically what happens is you say to the person taking your order, I want exactly what the person in front of you had. Now we are in a Supra which doesn't have any cup holders, so it's going to be interesting with regards to putting all the food and cups in different places and having to hold them, and obviously we don't want to spill them because someone will be very angry.
That would be me.
So yeah, we are in Bath, just to add to that. So,
Jesus Lord.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we are in Bath, and we'll do a couple of, well, we'll look at a couple of people and see if we get any good reactions. So yeah, let's have a look. You looking? Yeah. No? I don't know.
Nah. It's awkward.
Yeah, having a good look at you, mate. Yeah.
Cheers.
So yeah, this is Bath. If you've never been to Bath before, this is what Bath looks like. And there's walls and sound amplifiers everywhere. So if Monty gives a little rev, you'll be able to hear it from the outside. So yeah, it's pretty loud. And this woman just fucked the corner. Alright. Here she is.
Not gonna lie, there's no cars there.
And here we see a limited edition Corsa in its natural habitat.
McDonald's! Yes! Brilliant.
Oh, it's a Supra. Oh no, it's a family car. Oh. We'll have 5 Big Macs, 10 chicken nuggets. Alright, thank you.
Shit.
Hi, can I take one of these?
Hi, can I get whatever the person in front of me had, please?
Sorry?
Can I just get whatever the person in front of me had, because we don't know what we want.
Was desserts.
Was it
It was.
desserts?
Yeah, it was.
What about the one in front of that?
What does the order in front have? Not the large one.
Oh, the large one will do.
It was... I'm not sure, I think it was a Big Mac meal or something.
We'll do that, yeah, we'll go with that.
So a Big Mac meal, yeah?
Yeah, can we get like 3 Fantas with it though?
3 what, sorry?
Fantas as well.
Alright, anything else?
That's it, thanks.
Alright, next one please, thank you.
She like that.
I thought I liked the drinks because I don't have any cup holders. See, we wanted a bigger order than that. That was not great. But, tell you what, take it. Alright?
She doesn't have a clue.
Yes please, don't have any, you know? That would be good. Don't have any.
There's 2 fries in there because half of them still.
Oh, brilliant, thank you. Cheers.
How are you going to deal with this then?
I don't know. Really, I don't know why I got 3. There's only 2 of us.
Alright, let's go pull up and
Pull up.
see how we're going to deal with
I'll
this.
go through it.
Alright. So how are we going to deal with this? Right, so what we've got here, we have 2 cheeky fries. She gave us another fries.
Yeah, she did say.
Because one of them was spilt.
Not another one!
So we've got Big Mac. I'll be having that one and some fries. Cheers. And what else did you get?
To be honest, these were just ordered as separate because the order in front was shit. So that's not bad, is it? £6.50, bit of budget there. So I think the challenge here today is how many cups can you fit in a Supra comfortably? The answer is none. No cup holders. But the only thing, the trick, if you have one of these, check out this. Come down here. We get the little light on it because it's getting a bit dark. Little compartment for your pennies and whatever. Take it out. Obviously you'll have to put that somewhere. Put it in the back for now. And you've got room for perfectly 1 drink. That's all you can put in, really.
And the rest of it you're going to have to hold.
The rest of it, luckily it's an Alto because you can hold it, but you know, at the end of the day, there is really nowhere in this car to put cups, and I don't think the Japanese really cared at the time. It's quite dark in here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty dark.
Yeah, obviously we expected a bigger order, and we're probably going to do this again and hope a Supra is in front of us because we want 8 council specials, which would be ideal. But we will we'll leave that to the next time. So we're going to now enjoy our tucker, and we will see you soon.